Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Playing with a new camera today, so bear with me, guys. Not sure how that's going to sound. But again, today we have another toolbox from the Prepper Estate Auction. And this is a New Britain. Never seen this model before. It has some tools in it. Take a look at what we got. It's got 3 drawers. So up on the top here, got some of the grab tools. But this one is a KD 2114. Battery posts, cleaners, a few of those. Got a magnet here. It looks like more magnets. So let's see what we got in the drawers. Okay. Yeah, I'll put this stuff on the side so we can see exactly what we have here. Okay, we got a Sears 3077 needle nose. Got another one, the same exact tool, and yet a third one. Got a vintage pliers here. It just says forged in USA. Looks like it's been modified. Not sure if you can see the jaws on there. Next we got a KD. I don't know if this is a spark plug boot puller. It's a model 2665. We've got a Calvan. Not really sure what that tool is. Model 452. Here we got a wire tie tool. It says Millbar USA. Not sure if that's like a high-end one or not, but some of these things can bring a lot of money. Should always check these out when you see them. Okay, into the second drawer. We got some, like some kind of machinist clamps. No names on those. Here's one that says it's a C-clamp made in USA, semi-steel. There's one that says 53 on it, no name. Here we got, not sure what this is. Is this magnet? I have no idea what this is. It says some kind of gapper, maybe 1/8, 5/30 seconds, 5/64, 3/30 seconds. Okay, and into the last drawer. That's where the good stuff always is. Put this stuff to the side here. We got a pliers here. Looks like it says something tool, Germany. Maybe a Stallwell. Here we get a metal shears. It's a snap-on CD12. Looks to be in really good shape. Champion Dearmont, Meadville, Pennsylvania. It's a channel lock and a vintage. Some kind of old lineman's pliers here. No fancy handle on it. I don't see a name. A little bit of rust on that one. Another channel lock. It's actually a snap-on. It says it on the, you can see it on the bolt there. Snap-on USA. It's an all-trade Taiwan. The big needle nose pliers here. I don't see any name on it. Some diagonal cutter, all-trade chrome vanadium. Probably matches that other one there. Probably made in Taiwan also. This one says Pesco, made in USA. Little slip joint. Haven't heard that brand before. Here's a Mac P-26A slip joint. Looks to be in good condition. There's another all-trade chrome vanadium. CT, Jamestown, New York. Pretty fancy handle on there. Another little plier. Just says forged in USA. Don't see a name. Another big Snips crescent tool. Jamestown. It's a big one. Needle nose says Korea. Looks to be in decent shape. Made in USA. Forged. Don't see a name, but it's got a part number 5407, it looks like. Okay guys, that's it for this toolbox. This is like one of the last ones of that lot set I bought. So I do have one more, just some Montgomery Ward toolbox or something. Doesn't have a name on it, but there's really nothing in it. You can see that right here. But that'll be it. Be getting some more stuff in the next week or so. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next one, you all have a great week. Thank you.